Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be doing a set of acrylic nails, so if that's something you like to see, stay tuned. I prep the nails by first applying a coat of dehydrator to each nail. Then I apply a coat of primer to each nail. These are the materials I'll be using for today's set. I place a bead of acrylic in the center of my nail. Then I gently pat and pull the acrylic down the nail. Then I place another bead of acrylic directly below where I placed the first bead, and I continue to pat and pull the acrylic, and this is going to help me build the nail up. I place a smaller bead of acrylic towards the cuticle area, and then I pat and push that in place. So I haven't quite mastered the 3-bead method yet. I'm not a professional. I'm still a student of YouTube University. So I have to continue to apply acrylic to kind of build up the nail and build up the apex until I feel like it's strong enough and it is thick enough and to my liking. And so this is how the nail came out. I'm pretty happy with it, and so I will continue to do these steps for the rest of my nails, and I'll just let you all watch and kind of see how I do it. these are how the nails turned out once all the acrylic has dried, so pretty good. I then used my hand file to shape the nails to get those crisp edges and kind of like get off any extra acrylic that's on top of the nails so that they're not so bulky. So these are how the nails turned out after they have been shaped and filed. They're pretty cute to me. So now it's time to apply polish. The polish looks a little white on camera, but it's actually a really pretty pink. I am going for a Valentine's Day look, so gotta add a little red. Then I add a layer of top coat because I heard it's a lot easier to do nail designs on top of top coat, so I'm gonna try it out here. This is my first attempt at drawing hearts, and I'm actually using my non-dominant hand, so this was rather challenging. So let's just see how I did. This is how my nails turned out. They're super cute, quick, easy, at-home set, and I'm super happy with them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.